Joy Ma Bagulamukhi Devir Joy. Hello viewers, myself Somnath Chatterjee and you are watching your favorite channel Tantra Vigyan. By the grace of Ma Bagala Devi, you have all had a good day and you have done everything possible to keep others well. I believe you like my video and the information I have given. I give you the remedial measure that you apply in your life properly. So if you like the video, you must like it after watching the video, and if you do not like it, then open your mind. I have no objection to dislike. And I will say again, this is a one day video, so if you share the video with everyone through your social media, then you can benefit from the video of everyone else like you. And if you have any information or give me any feedback, then definitely in the box you will write your opinion. And many thanks from me and you to all those who have already subscribed to the channel. And if you are new to this channel today, then you must subscribe to the channel and the bell icon next to it. Keep up the good content so that you will not miss any of the videos that I have provided for your benefit, and you will definitely benefit from my channel. However, without further ado, let's start today's horoscope judgment and its question and remedial measure. Today 19th September 2020. So let's talk about the first sign of the zodiac, Aries. You will be able to take advantage of good opportunities today, and you have to seek advice from others. But it would be appreciated to make a decision based on your own views. Love partner will make good use of a time, and a partnership related task will prove beneficial for your life. You will enjoy your married life adequately. Your lucky number for the day is 6, and there is a remedy for you. Obviously respect today the elders from you. Then let's talk about the second terrorist in the zodiac. Try to learn from your old mistakes. People doing government jobs will have to face some trouble. You might have fifth fight with one of your friends. Belly disorder might cause some bitterness in your mouth. Students might not be able to focus on studies, and there is the lucky number for the day for you is 5, and there is a remedy for you. Family life can be damaged today, so be careful from the beginning of the day. Then let's talk about the Gemini, the third sign of the zodiac. Success in work field will increase your confidence. Do not work under any kind of influence of anyone. You will get rid of some problem post noon. There will be a lack of coordination in marital relationship. You might have some turmoil in your mind, and your lucky number for the day is 3, and there is a remedy for you. Do not make a false promise and do not speak ill of others for the day. Otherwise you will get a very bad things in your life. Then let's talk about Cancer, the fourth sign of the zodiac. Those who were opposing your decision will support you today. The day is very good for the people associated with police and administrations. Avoid indulging in unethical acts in your life. You should be extra careful about your health for the post noon. Your lucky number for the day is 6, and there is a remedy for you. You have to suffer for purposeless travel today, so be careful from the beginning of the day, otherwise you will be a loser. Then let's talk about Leo, the fifth sign of the zodiac. Romance will increase in a married life for the day, and you will efficiently fulfill your family responsibilities, and students will remain fully dedicated to studies. You might work on some new business plan. Household works might get delayed today. And your lucky number for the day is 5th, and there is a remedy for you. Keep dogs at home. That should be any color. Then let's talk about the 6th sign of the zodiac is Virgo. Overconfidence might deprive you from good profits. Don't seek away from your responsibilities. Do not give advice to anyone without asking. Remain careful while driving today. Otherwise, it will be very bad for you. It would be beneficial to complete important works before evening. And the lucky number for the day is 3, and there is a remedy for you. You are more likely to get asthma, so be careful from the beginning of the day. Then let's talk about the 7th sign of the zodiac, Libra. Circumstances in business might not be in your favor. You will spend the day in running around, but you might not get appropriate result for the day. In the evening, you might have a discussion over some topic with your family member. Patient's health will show improvement. Your respect will increase socially, and your lucky number for the day is 5th, and there is a remedy for you. Happiness will be disrupted in your life for the day, so be very careful from the beginning of the day. Then let's talk about the Scorpio, the 8th sign of the zodiac. Decisions taken too quickly will prove troublesome. Obey your parents. You might have low energy level today. If you want to go abroad, then it is better to save for some time. You will be worried about your life partner's health, so be careful. And your lucky number for the day is 7, and there is a remedy for you. You will travel today for no reason, so carry all of your necessary document with you, otherwise you will fall in a false position. Then let's talk about Sagittarius, the 9th sign of the zodiac. You will be pleased with the behavior of colleagues. Keep eyes on the children's behavior also. You might repair or renovate your home today, and your honor and respect in the society is going to increase. You will remain full of positive energy, and you will spend some money on amenities. And your lucky number for the day is 4, and there is a remedy for you. Vaccinate the hair of yours own. Then let's talk about Capricorn, the 10th sign of the zodiac. Words of family members may hurt you, so be careful from the beginning of the day. Avoid repeating old mistakes. You will be dedicated towards your work, and you must be focused on religious activities today. You will try to complete pending works in the office today, and your lucky number for the day is 4. And there is a remedy for you. Feeds molasses to monkeys. Then let's talk about Aquarius, the 11th sign of the zodiac. The day might begin on a negative note. You will feel uncomfortable while taking some decisions. Come out of your imaginary world and try to understand the reality of the life. You might go for a walk with some friend in evening today, and you may have to take some undesirable journey. Unemployed youth might get job interview opportunities today, and your lucky number for the day is 2. And there is a remedy for you. Keep a black dog with you for a whole day, if it is possible for you. Then I am about the 12th sign of the zodiac, or the last sign is Pisces. You should stay away from all sorts of intoxications. Internally, you will be satisfied. Family life will remain peaceful. But in the evening, there might be discord from some reason. Students might get misguided in achieving their goals, and you will take a great interest in arts and creative activities today. Your lucky number for the day is 9, and there is a remedy for you. Plaster of Paris products will be good for your health if you keep them at home. Anyway, this was the judgment of Arise to Peace from today's match, her question and remedial action. I will not say anything more than this today. I would like to wish Ma Bagala Devi, like every day, let Hema keep everyone well and keep them healthy and create a situation so that they can keep everyone else well and keep them healthy. Maybe I am here today. I'll be back at the right time tomorrow, and I will tell you about the precautionary and remedial measure of judges' pieces from the Arise in front of you. Take care and goodbye for the day.